Struggling to find harmony and maintain healthy relationships in your life? You're not alone, my friends. In a world filled with challenges, it can often feel like an uphill battle. But fear not, for I bring you great news. Within the realms of this video lies a powerful trick, a hidden gem that has the potential to transform your relationships forever. Brace yourselves as we delve deep into the secret art of building and sustaining healthy and harmonious connections. But hold your breath, my friends, because this is not something you want to miss. So I implore you to stay glued to your screens till the very end. Trust me when I say that the knowledge you're about to acquire is nothing short of extraordinary. Discover the key, the secret sauce, the missing piece to the intricate puzzle that is relationships. Are you ready to uncover the hidden path that leads to lasting harmony? Are you willing to embrace a revolutionary approach that will revolutionize your connections? The time has come for you to unlock the vault of wisdom within this video. Get ready to learn the secrets that can reshape your relationships, allowing you to transcend the limitations that once held you back. Don't miss out on this extraordinary opportunity to enhance your connections, to cultivate lasting harmony. Stay tuned till the end, and let's embark on this enchanting journey together. Get ready to unleash the power that lies within you. Your relationships are about to transcend all boundaries. Let's dive in. Creating ideal relationships is something we all strive for. But how do we achieve this? Neville Goddard, a renowned spiritual teacher, offers his advice on how to create these meaningful connections. His teachings focus on the power of imagination and visualization as cornerstone steps towards manifesting the relationships we desire. We can observe the power of imagining even before becoming aware of Neville's teachings. Think about a person you recently interacted with. Chances are, you had already imagined something about that relationship before even meeting them. This is because our subconscious mind is always at work, creating ideas and visions based on our past experiences. Therefore, applying Neville's teachings means recognizing that it always starts with us reimagining the relationship from a state of fulfilled desire if it was not previously present in our lives. There are 3 effective ways suggested by Neville on how to imagine ideal relationships: revision, imagining what implies, and mental dieting, or focusing solely on positive thoughts while avoiding negative ones like worry and fear as much as possible. Revision involves changing your mental outlook towards a situation or person so that they become more favorable in your eyes. For instance, seeing an individual as helpful rather than unhelpful if they have been difficult in the past due to their own issues or circumstances that were out of your control. Imagining what implies involves intentionally placing yourself in an environment where positive interactions are likely to occur between yourself and other people. Whether it's consciously visualizing future interactions or simply attending events that bring people together who share common interests or goals. Finally, mental dieting means focusing solely on uplifting thoughts while avoiding those that bring down one's mood, such as worry and fear. This helps keep away any negativity that might prevent us from having successful relationships with other individuals, because negative emotions tend to taint everything else, including what we imagine happening. Telepathy also plays an important part in forming relationships, since consciousness is one collective force that links everyone under its actionable sway, making thought transmission viable between all parties involved. Teachers and students are 2 sides of the same coin, and our imaginal acts not only act as catalysts for bringing people together, but also serve to help solidify existing bonds further if they are already present. This is largely due to its ability to create new realities within itself through creative visualization techniques. We all understand that our thoughts manifest into reality, but what often goes unnoticed is the power of thought transmission through vibrational resonance. By affirming our desires mentally, we can transmit these thoughts to others in our environment, creating an energetic bridge between us and them. To bring our desired outcome into reality, we need to consciously imagine how others perceive us in their minds. This allows us to receive feedback on their perception, which we can then use for self-reflection and potential adjustment. Avoiding neediness in relationships leads to more positive results. Instead, embrace an attitude of acceptance, acknowledging that everything we need is already within us. When thinking about or interacting with others, this mindset positively influences both parties, promoting positive outcomes in their interactions. Furthermore, Carl Jung's active imagination technique supports this concept of using imagination to initiate subconscious belief change. Ultimately, this leads to physical appearance changes, as imagination has power over the process of creating and manifesting reality, also known as the law of assumption. By thoughtfully imagining people with love and positivity, we can connect with our higher selves, unlocking the latent potential within each individual and creating ideal relationships through visualization and mental focus. Do you ever find yourself wishing for more meaningful relationships with the people in your life? It is possible to apply an intentional mindset of loving thoughts and behaviors towards others, creating positive experiences for everyone involved. According to Neville Goddard, it is important to be mindful of the impressions you form in your mind when interacting with others and ensure they are based on a premise of fulfilled desire. Imagining what implies living desired relationships is the first step towards achieving them. Visualization is key when it comes to forming lasting connections. It's important to imagine yourself already having achieved the relationship before even engaging in conversation or taking any action. This helps set a positive tone from the beginning. This can be done by visualizing how you would like things to turn out, or imagining how conversations may go differently than usual, leading to successful outcomes. Revisiting past events and experiences can also help create more desirable connections between people by allowing us to reevaluate our opinions and beliefs about them, as well as ourselves. This involves looking back at past interactions and reflecting on how different choices could have led to better results. By doing this, we can use those reflections as learning opportunities that will help us make better decisions going forward regarding our interactions with others, ultimately bringing us closer to ideal relationships. Maintaining positive relationships is an important part of living a healthy and balanced life. It can be easy to get caught up in our own thoughts and forget that others have their own perspectives. That's why it's important to remember that we have the power to create ideal relationships through mindful choices. According to the Hermetica, 2 gifts were bestowed upon humanity: mind and speech, which are equal to immortality. Conscious thinking is the key factor in creating a desired life. One way of achieving this is by keeping your mind occupied with what you love and enjoy, which will help you maintain positive relationships with those around you. Negative beliefs can cause mental turmoil towards forming positive relationships. Thus, it is important to purify the mind by engaging in activities we love and enjoy, such as visualization or affirmations, to keep us on track with our goals. Neville Goddard teaches us that consciousness is non-divisional, meaning there is no real separation between mindsets or thought patterns, allowing for telepathy amongst all people. It's up to us how we use that power wisely and lovingly in calling forth desired relationships through his teachings on the law of assumption. Have faith in yourself that everything will turn out exactly how you envisioned once you put trust into the universe. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on the empowering content we have in store. As you navigate through life, may your relationships flourish, your connections deepen, and your heart be filled with abundance. Remember, the power to create your ideal relationships lies within you. So go forth, my friend, and manifest the relationships of your dreams. With gratitude and blessings until we meet again on this incredible journey of self-discovery and manifestation.